Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today in this video I am going to talk about alternate key. Before this video we talk about the candidate key, and before that we talk about super key, and before that we talk about type of keys in relational database management system. In this video I am going to talk about the alternate key. This is important one to talk about, to discuss as a database programmer or as a database engineer, because when we go for a normalization, all these key are very important to know. Okay, so what is alternate key? Let me tell you the definition. Alternate key says that all the candidate keys, all the candidate key which are not selected or chosen, or all the candidate key which are not selected or chosen as a primary key are called as alternate key. It's very simple, right? So I would have the multiple choices for the candidate key. I could have the student ID, I could have the phone number, or let's say I do have a 10 minimal set of a column or 10 column, let's say student ID, phone number, and any random column. And out of those combination, out of those candidate key, I can select a single key which I say it's a primary key, and other 9 which are left over, those key are called as the alternate key, right? It's very simple. All the candidate key which are not selected or chosen as a primary key are called as alternate key, right? It's very simple. So from above example, if I select student ID as my primary key, and the leftover key is what is leftover is called as the phone number. So phone number is my alternate key. It's very simple. There is no second thought. Let me tell you the definition once again. All the candidate key which are not the part or chosen or selected as a primary key are called as the alternate key. So to understand the alternate key, first you should know the concept of candidate key. For understanding the concept of candidate key, you need to watch my earlier video. So please go and watch about the video. You will get all detail there. So hope this video got informative for understanding the alternate key, and I hope people don't have any doubt. And thanks for watching. If you guys really like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your friend. And thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.